MG3 2024 Philippines. Mas malaki to kumpara sa dating MG3 na nandito sa Pilipinas. Mas malaman dahil siksik sa features tulad na lamang ng rear air vent. Mas mahaba naman talaga to kumpara sa iba dito sa segment na to, like kung kumpara natin siya sa Honda Brio or sa Toyota Wigo. And last but not the least, masarap siyang tingnan dahil napaka-porma naman talaga, guys, no? And then, smart entry na siya. So, kapag malapit yung key fob mo, you can just, press the button, tapos magbubukas na yung pinaka-pinto, which is great. Naka-integrate ang mga audio controls dyan sa mismong manibela. Hands-free calling, wala ka na magiging problema. So, hindi ka natitingin. Pag may tumawag sa'yo habang nagda-drive ka, mas safe siya talaga, guys. Diba? Vanity mirrors sa passenger side and of course sa driver side meron din yan, guys. Ayan, makikita nyo. And then of course meron naman tong dome lights na nasa gitna together with its buttons for its controls, anti-glare rear view mirror, and then yung kanyang touchscreen which is floating infotainment, physical buttons which I really like, hazard light, and then air vents niya, guys. It's on the simpler side of things. And then USB port, charging port, and then yung 12-volt socket, cup holders, and then itong kanyang gear lever. Ayan. Tapos itong parking brake and then auto hold. Tapos meron siyang wireless charging, and then itong kanyang center armrest. If you look at the dashboard, it's on the simpler side, as I said earlier. And then, ayan yung kanyang air vent. Lock and lock button is within reach of the driver. And then yung kanyang controls for the headlights and the side mirror. And then it tilts yung kanyang manibela, but it does not adjust telescopic. Ayan. So, may mga soft touch materials naman yung dashboard na yan. And then, meron pa siyang push, start, stop. Okay? I like the manibela, the steering wheel, because it's flat top and flat bottom. So, parang mas sporty yung dating niya. Meron siyang mga lagayan dyan sa mga gilid-gilid. Pasok naman tayo sa likod and you will be welcomed with all black interior as well. Legroom is decent. Yan ay fully retracted backwards. Tapos, meron siyang, ito yung sasabi ko sa inyo, guys, air vents and one USB port. Which is a great addition, no, sa ganitong klaseng kotse, and then sa klima natin. Talaga kailangan yan. The seats are soft, but it's a mix of leather and fabric. Ayan. Tapos, wala siyang center armrest and wala siyang dome lights sa may likod. Back part niya, guys, makikita niyo naman maporma din, So, meron siyang rear diffuser and meron siyang parking sensors. Ayan. Tatlo yan. And then, pag pumasok kayo sa likod ni MG3, makikita nyo itong luggage compartment, which is, I can say, mas malaki kesa sa competition dito sa segment na to, Maluwag. Pero wala siyang spare tire. So, ang nandito lang is yung tire repair kit. Sabi ni Sir, ganito na raw talaga yung MG3 ngayon. Ewan ko lang, pero mas maganda sana kung meron. So, disc brake sa unahan and disc brake din sa hulihan, which is really nice. Ayan. So, guys, this is the MG3. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, napaka-porma niya, napakaganda. And I think kung nasa market kayo for a hatchback, this one is a worthy option para sa inyo. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you see you guys next time. Bye!